Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing the range difference between the Mavic Air 1 and the Mavic Air 2, and today I have another guest flyer. This is my nephew Ben. He's 9, right? And he's going to fly both drones for us today. Today we're going to take off with the Air 1, see how far that gets, and we're going to come back and then we'll take off with the Mavic Air 2 and we'll have that go out and come back and we'll see how the difference is. So you're looking at the Wi-Fi versus the Occusync 2.0. So here we go. We're gonna get up in the air and get going. So all right, Ben, let's get it in the air. Go ahead and press the takeoff button there. You want to precisely, yep. Then slide it and let it take off here.
Take off.
What it's going to do is it's going to go up to about 20 feet and then stop. So don't touch the stick until it stops. It's just precisely getting the location of where it took off. All right, now go ahead and go up. There you go. We're going to go up to 400 feet here. What I'm going to do is put it in sport mode, get a little bit of speed out of it here. So there we go. We're at almost 200. 300. Stop around, like, let's say 375. Right in there. That's perfect. All right. Good. All right. Now go ahead and start flying straight north. We'll go until we start seeing some signal breakup. So there's 600 feet. We're probably not going to get a ton of distance out of this because this is a hilly area here. So we're not going to get the max range that this drone can go, but this is just kind of a practical test here of what normal people would get in a normal situation, I would say.
Just over 2,000.
Now we're over 2,000. Signal is 3 bars. All right. There's 3,000. Doing a great job. See the farmland down there.
Nice one.
There's 4,000 feet. Still got 3 bars on the Wi-Fi there.
This is going farther than I thought it would.
Coming up on 5,000.
There we go, 5,000.
Coming up on a mile. You can still see it off there in the distance.
I see
Well, I can.
it. Oh, I see it.
Yep.
Oh, nope, that's a bird.
Coming up on 6,000 down to 2 bars, or 1 bar, I don't know, however you want to say that is.
Oh, it's losing it.
Okay. So we're going to say that's pretty good right there, Ben. That's 60, we're going to say 6,500 feet. So hit the return to home button. Yep. Return to home. Yep. Slide it over.
Go home.
Should come straight home here.
6,000 feet.
So 6,500 is the Wi-Fi range here. So we'll see what the Occusync 2.0 does in this test here. So it's flying back at what, 15 miles an hour?
Yeah, 16. You're over a very large field.
All right, now that we got service back, we'll cancel return to home and just go ahead and fly it. It'll go faster. It's in sport mode, so it'll go pretty quick.
Yeah, it's only 37 miles.
37 miles an hour, yeah. The wind is off the west, so it shouldn't affect the speed or anything on that drone. So that's pretty far for me on this drone. I've never really gotten it that far before, so it must be a good day. I think that the sun affects the distance on this sometimes just because of the radiation from the sun, the light pollution, if you will. I think affects it, I've noticed. So on cloudy days, you'll get a little bit more range than you did on a really sunny day. So maybe I'm just crazy, but down to 49% battery. We should have enough to get back. Went quite a ways. See the house there?
Yep. Car just went past it.
So once you get over the road here, what we're going to do is we're going to do the return to home and see how the precision landing works, because in my last test it did not do very good at all. So hopefully it does a little better today.
I'm scared of the tree.
We won't let it hit the tree.
Should be somewhere up above the tree.
Yep, I can hear it. All right, that's good. You can let off the stick there, and then we'll hit return to home,
Go home.
and we'll see here how it does.
Hopefully it doesn't get stuck on that tree.
It won't. There it is right there. You see it?
It went higher when we were using it. It's almost exactly perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's a GPS calculated height.
Landing.
So I think that height's a little not inaccurate sometimes. It's right above us. It's coming down.
Oh yeah, I think that's gonna hit us.
Well, the landing pad is only like 10 feet away, so that's good. That it's right above us. It looks like it's fighting the wind a little bit up there. So if it's going to hit anything, Ben, hit that red X. That'll stop the auto landing.
I have a feeling it is.
No, you're past the tree, so.
Yeah, Bob.
Oh, just let it land in the grass if it misses. The grass is short enough. It's pretty close. I don't know if it's. I think it might land a little in front of it. Yeah, it's off. So, what's that? 6 feet off?
Yeah.
Mowing some grass. All right, so we're down. So we had what? 6,500?
Yeah.
All right, that's the one to beat. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over for the Mavic Air 2 now and give that a good go. So,
Okay.
all right, let's do that. All right, so we got the Mavic Air 2 on the landing pad here. So we're going to take off here. Go ahead. You got to hold it. Yep. Just let it go until
Take
it
off.
stops.
The home point
This
has
one
been
only goes a
updated.
couple feet.
Please check it on the map.
Should be good to go. So go ahead and go straight up. There you go. Way quieter, isn't it? We're gonna go up to just go up until it stops.
So stop.
Yeah, we'll only let you go to 400 feet. And if you want, you can pick that gimbal up. This got some motorcycles going across there. So we'll this button here, go up. We'll go to
That's pretty good.
right there. It's good. And this is the 4K
Maximum
HDR.
flight altitude
So
reached.
come down just a little bit. That works. Now go ahead and go.
So let's see if this can beat 16,000.
Or 6,500. Come adjust it to the left. You went that way. Go straight that way. There we go. There is a hill over there that it might affect the test. All right, so we're crossing 1,600 feet. It's going 40 miles an hour. There's some farmland down there. I think that's corn they plant in there, isn't it?
Yeah, they always do.
Center pivot, I see. All right, we're coming up on 38, 39, there's 40. We're looking for 65 to beat. Looking to go a little bit farther than 65. Still have full bars on the reception there. See it right there. There's 5,000. There's a mile. You can still see it in the distance there.
Some bushes.
Those are trees, orchard, probably apple trees. There's 6,000. Little break up there, but I wouldn't call it. We still have full service. There's 65, so we're past where the Air 1 got to.
Now let's see what
There's 7. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come off sport mode and go to normal mode so we don't fly past too far. Save some battery too. There's 75, so we're 1,000 feet beyond the Air 1. Going up on 8,000. Still have 3 bars.
this Shelby or Nowera.
This would be towards Shelby. There's 85. Down to 1 bar. Back up to 2. There's 9,000. There's 95. There's 10,000.
Wow.
We're gonna stop at 10,005. That's 2 miles. That's a little bit farther. I can't really see it anymore. Go a little bit more. There's 11. Flying into an airport. So we're gonna stop right there, Ben. So, and we're down to no bars. So we're at the weak point. So we'll just return to home. So that's 11,200. Return to home.
Go home.
But yeah, that's
It's gonna lose service when it turns. I'll come back. The antennas on the Mavic Air 2, I noticed, if you turn sideways, you lose reception. I don't think it goes out to the sides as much as it goes forward and back. So if you guys have that, notice that when you turn, you'll lose service, but as long as it turns toward the front or the back is towards you, it'll come back. So,
if you put it on sports mode,
yeah, we'll put it on sport mode here. So we'll cancel return to home. I'll fly it straight back.
how much battery's on it?
We have 16 minutes of flight time still, 75%. All right, so we're coming up on the landing spot here. What we're gonna do is, once you get closer here, we're gonna hit return to home. Go ahead and hit return to home right now, and we'll see how it does on the
Go
landing
home.
pad. You can't even see it or hear it right now. I can see it. You can't hear it. Crazy how quiet this is.
Alright, what camera does? There we are.
Right up there, 400 feet above us. All right,
Landing.
there it comes down. It's going to return to the northern point or northern orientation that we set it on the landing pad with.
So it should land in the exact spot that we used it.
We hope it hits the landing pad. I guess if it's within 6 feet of the landing pad, it's better than the Air 1. So, it's fighting some wind up there.
Yep.
So this is the first time I've landed with the wind fighting it, so we'll see. This will be interesting. Every other day it's been pretty much calm when I've flown it, so. Even after all that, we still have half the battery left. All right, so here it comes. What do you think? You think it's gonna land on the landing pad?
Yeah.
It's pretty close, ain't it?
That's going on.
That's really close. Oh, it's a little off to the left. We'll see if it corrects itself here. Oh, what do you call that? Is that landing pad or not?
Oh, I think that's half.
That's half. So we'll call that a C landing grade. How's that? Yeah. It's not quite a failure, but it's also not the best. But well, as you guys can see here, that the Occusync 2.0 does a really good job with the Mavic Air 2. Way better than what the Wi-Fi did on the Mavic Air 1, which was one of the major complaints I had with the Mavic Air 1, is that you get, you know, so far out and you completely lose service and be unusable. With this, you just have crystal clear, way beyond than what you'll ever need. You shouldn't be flying that far out ever, really, except for a flight test like this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like videos like these, give it a
Thumbs up.
if you want to watch more videos like these, go ahead and
Subscribe.
and until next time, guys, stay adventurous. You were gonna say, not gonna say goodbye?
Bye.